In this video, I'll show you how to join a Discord server without an invite link. First, it's important to know that most Discord servers require an invite link to join. However, there are a few ways you can still find and join servers without directly having one. The easiest method is to use the Discord Server Discovery feature. Open Discord on your computer, then scroll down the left sidebar and click the compass icon. This opens the server discovery page where you can browse public communities by category, such as gaming, education, or entertainment. Next, use the search bar inside Server Discovery to find servers related to your interests. Once you find a server you like, click on it and select Join Server. Another option is to search on Google or social media platforms. Many communities share their Discord invite links publicly on websites, forums, Reddit, or Twitter. Keep in mind that private servers cannot be joined without an invite link. You'll need to ask the server owner or a member to send you an invitation. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.